Have you considered creating an email using your voice instead of typing? You are in the right place. In this video, I will show you a couple of methods to simply speak your email and have it automatically drafted in Outlook. So currently I am using Outlook Classic. So there are two methods for dictating emails. One is the feature of Windows 11 and other is an inbuilt feature of Microsoft Outlook. Let's start with the Windows 11 features. So first I will click on the new email. I put my cursor in the message body, and to start using dictation, press the window key along with H key. Microsoft Outlook is the best email and calendar management tool in the world. Have you tried using Outlook? Stop listening. To stop listening, you can say stop listening. Alternately, you can press window H again and click on the dictation icon to turn it off. The dictation tool did a very good job. It capitalized each letter begin with the fresh line. So you will see this M and this H and includes punctuation correctly. So here is my full stop. It is also identify questions and add appropriate punctuation, which is this question mark over here. In the setting gearbox, there is an option to turn on automatic punctuation. Go to the setting gearbox and you will check out this toggle by default already enable. You can turn this off to disable that. This feature is very convenient and I highly recommend using it. You can also use basic commands like voice typing. For instance, say new paragraph. So I put my cursor from where I need a new paragraph. Again hit window H, new paragraph. Stop listening. So you will see my cursor automatically changes its paragraph to automatically start a new paragraph. If you haven't tried it, give it a go today. To see all the available commands, click on the question icon. This will open the website with information about typing commands. So here is my voice typing commands. Click on this drop down. You need to select the desired language. So I select English United States. So here you can see various commands. For example, saying pay voice typing will stop it. Delete that will remove the last sentence and select that will highlight a sentence. There is one more useful setting in the voice typing tool. Click on the setting gear and at the top you will see a voice typing launcher. When you toggle this on, the voice typing tool will disappear, and when you click back into your text field, the tool will automatically reappear and you can resume voice typing by clicking on the icon from here directly. So this is the end of my first method. Now the second inbuilt feature in Microsoft Outlook. Click on the message tab if you are creating a new email, and in the voice category, click on dictate option. Here is the list of my favorite books. Bold favorite. Start list. $100 startup. New line. Check this out. New line. Rework. Delete the last sentence. Honestly, rework book is not my favorite. So let's remove it from the list. So you can see that you can dictate text and have it written for you. You can also command it to bold certain words or start a list. This adds a lot of richness when you are composing text. Hopefully you won't have to do as much typing anymore. In fact, you can leave a comment below simply by dictating it. To watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing. I will see you in the next one.